Hello, welcome back to my channel, M&J Niki Live Agency. How's everyone doing? I hope you're all doing well. From today, we are starting tutorials about Niki Live. For those of you who are completely new to our channel, subscribe to me right now and stay tuned. So let's stop talking and get started with the video. Today is our first tutorial. I will show you how to create an account on the Niki Live app. Creating an account is very easy. Step 1. Go to the Play Store and search for the Niki Live app, then download it. Step 2. Open Niki Live and select Gmail from here. Step 3. Delete the existing name and give a new name of your choice. Now, upload a nice profile picture of your choice. Then enter today's date. Select whether you are male or female. Then click Next. And that's it. Your account is now created. In the next video, I will show you how to verify your face and start going live. And listen carefully, everyone. In this video, one lucky person from you will get a $50 gift. To receive this $50, you need to follow some steps. Step 1. Subscribe. Step 2. Watch the full video. Step 3. Like the video. Step 4. Comment. Step 5. Share. Step 6. Now comment your WhatsApp number. Finally, how you will win. The person whose comment has no likes will receive the $50 USDT gift. So everyone, subscribe, like, comment and share as much as you can. And also let us know what you want the next video to be about. That's all for today. Stay well, stay healthy and take care.